Hello, you beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. So, in today's video, I am going to talk about something which is generally avoided in public, which is of the being misunderstood. So, from childhood, we have had this feeling always that everyone near and around us should understand us. But is it really very necessary that whoever you meet in your life, no matter where you are, from your schooling or college, your official life, or even in your personal life, is it really that everybody needs to understand each and every moment of your life or each and every decision, whatever we take? No, because everyone in this world has their own perspective, their upbringing, their social skills, the culture in which they grow. All these things play a major factor about their thought process. So, the first part of the video are the type of people who are going to misunderstand you. And on top of the category would be those people who barely know you. These kind of people are the one who, let's say for example, don't even know your name. They might have heard your name through someone, and they might have just seen you in public having a conversation either with a friend or a family member. Second are the kind of people who are close to you. It can be either your family members or your friends. Yes, this might hurt a little bit because we do expect emotional support and validation from our family and friends whenever we are feeling that we are in a bad situation or that we need any help from them. Moving on to how you deal with such situations. So, for the first kind of people whom you barely know, who barely know anything about you, first of all, how are you going to deal with them? The simplest and the most effective way would be to just to ignore, because no matter what you are going to say, they have already cooked a story in their head about you. They wouldn't have had any conversation with you whatsoever. Then why waste time and energy to provide them any sort of justification about your life specifically? Because you are already living rent free in their head. No matter what, you are either a good person or a bad person in their story, in their mind. Then why waste time and energy? Because that person's thought is fixed. They have already cooked a story in their head about you. So no matter what happens, it is not going to change. Even say for example, they might later realize that, they have misunderstood you. Then fine, good, let it be, and they might later realize that they have gone wrong. But at that current moment, there is no need for you to provide any sort of justification to them whatsoever. So the second kind of people, these can be either your friends or family. Yes, it is a little bit hard that, people who are close to us, they do not understand us certain times, but we all are open to have our perspective about life. Something which is easy for me may not be easy for that other person. I have already understood that thing in my life, because of which I know how to deal with certain situation. It might not be the same for the other person. For them, it is a new thing that they are facing in their life, because of which their thought process is different than yours. But does that mean that you are a bad person in their story or that they are a bad person in your story? No. So if you're feeling that, there is someone who is very important to you and they have misunderstood you, like, based on whatever decision you have taken in life, next time make sure that you have a proper conversation with them, because it is very necessary. I feel that whatever thoughts that they have having regarding your particular situation, if that is being well communicated, even you can also have that opportunity to understand why that person feels in that particular way. And also, even And also, if when you are expressing your thoughts, it is easier for that person to understand why you have made such decisions. So both the ways you are exchanging your thoughts so that both your minds are clear out of any sort of misunderstanding whatsoever. And life gets so much simpler when you talk effectively. Having this conversation may not be that easy as you thought, because there might be a conflict of opinion what the other person thinks and what you are thinking. But if you are not going to express your views about what you feel regarding any sort of situation or any decision that you have taken, then maybe in the future you might feel bad that, yeah, in the past I did have a time where I could have spoken to that person to just make sure about what they feel. So instead of having that regret in the future, it is better that you have that conversation right now, so that it is much more simpler for you, and it can be easier even for that person to even to support you and to even understand you as a person. If so, the more you communicate and more you express your thoughts about any sort of situation or any kind of decision that you have taken which is leading to any sort of misunderstanding, with proper communication with the other person, you will understand that they are also not wrong, but their perspective is different than yours, because of which they are feeling in a certain way. And when you expressing your thoughts to them, even the way in your heart that you are feeling bad that that person is misunderstanding me, that will reduce, because you are openly expressing about how you feel. So this can be a good thing to avoid any sort of conflict in your relationship. Thank you so much for watching this video, and do let me know in the comments below how you feel about this. See you soon.